presenting in the 10-minute slot. He will be accompanied by Nikhil Ganesh, who is a Silver Circle awardee on violin, and Pranav Kanuparthi on the mridangam. Please welcome the artists.
Shri Shankara Guruvaram Shri Shankara Guruvaram Chintayami Bhavaram Shri Shankara Guruvaram Chintayami Bhavaram Shri Shankara Guruvaram Ratiपति बाण साशंकर रतिपति 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 बाण जाल कूल कालान हम साशंकर रतिपति बाण जाल कूल कालान गम पद पम गम पप मग स गम मग स स मग गम पद पम गम पप मग स गम मग स स ग स मग गम पद पम गम पप मग स गम मग स ग स ग स ग मग स प मग स द प मग स गम प गम पद पम पद स द प मग म पद स द द प स ग म य स ग द स ग स द स प द स द प द प मग स गम प श्री शंकर गुरुवरम अज्ञानतिमिरतरणिं 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 अङ्गीकृत ज्योतिसरणिं सुज्ञान सुखतरणिं सुज्ञान सुखतरणिं सुज्ञान सुखतरणिं सूक्ष्म प्राणवारं सुज्ञान सुखतरणिं सूक्ष्म प्राणवारं गम पद पम गम पप मग स गम मग स ग स स ग स ग मग स प मग स ग प मग स गम प गम पद पम पद स द प मग म पद स द द प स ग म य स ग द स ग पर्वत राजकुमारी पर्वत राजकुमारी श्री पार्वती पाहि मां परमेश्वरी पर्वत राजकुमारी 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 पाहि मां परमेश्वरी पर्वत सर्वानन्दमया सर्वानन्दमया सर्वानन्दमय चक्रवासिनि सर्वानन्दमय चक्रवासिनि सर्वानन्दमय चक्रवासिनि सर्वानन्दमय चक्रवासिनि सद्गुरुगुह जननी चिरञ्जनी सर्वानन्दमय चक्रवासिनि सद्गुरुगुह जननी चिरञ्जनी सर्वाणि शम्भुमोहिनी शरश्चन्द्रिका धवलप्रकाशिनि सर्वाणि शम्भुमोहिनी शरश्चन्द्रिका धवलप्रकाशिनि पर्वत राजकुमारी कैलासपुर विलसित प्रसिद्ध कामेश्वरी कंजलोचनी कैलासपुर विलसित प्रसिद्ध कामेश्वरी कंजलोचनी कविहृदया विशिनि पाशमोचनी वाक्शासनादिदेव पालिनि कविहृदया विशिनि पाशमोचनी वाक्शासनादिदेव पालिनि कौलिनि त्रिपुरादिमर्दिनि गन्धर्वजनकापाङ्गवीक्षणि कौलिनि त्रिपुरादिमर्दिनि गन्धर्वजनकापाङ्गवीक्षणि कैवल्यप्रदायिनि काव्यालापविनोदिनि मन्दहासिनि कैवल्यप्रदायिनि काव्यालापविनोदिनि मन्दहासिनि पर्वत राजकुमारी पार्वती पाहि मां परमेश्वरी पर्वत
Amazing performance by Gautam and team. Please give them another round of applause. This was Gautam's first performance at CCC. Great job. You have a very wonderful voice and you sing really confidently. The intricacies in your sangatis were really clear and you sang with a really good, strong throw in your voice, so really good job. And we hope to see you more at CCC and looking forward to see you grow as a musician. Nikhil, very great accompaniment and great job following along with the songs. Really enjoyed the tone in your playing and you played along to the songs really well. This is also Pranav's first time accompanying at CCC. He did a really great job supporting on the Mridangam, and we're looking forward to listening to more of your Mridangam at CCC. It's also his birthday month, so happy birthday month. Along with a lot of other students at CCC, it's their birthday in December this month as well. All the names are written up there. So thank you, Gautam and team, for performing. Please give them another very big round of applause.
All right, thank you, team. Wonderful performance. In the meantime, we would like to welcome the next team to get settled on stage. And